Hi, I am PokeSly-AZ. We are at this Fries again. I had my luck on. Hit that like, share, subscribe. Let's go see what this vending machine has. Meet you inside. Hi, I am PokeSly-AZ. We're inside. Let's go check what this has. They do have. Remember, said I wanted a Mega Evolutions. Let's see if this works. It worked, and I said I was gonna do it. And I said I was hunting for the booster display, and it's happening, guys. I finally did it. Woo-hoo. Let's go. Now to get some groceries. Hit that like, share, and subscribe because we got it. And I said that was my goal, was to get a booster display, and I did. Let's freaking go. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers.